Good morning, everyone.
Now y'all might heard rumors about their mind.
Coffee tayo.
What do you think
Breakfast. Bread.
Leaving a little early. We're gonna be dropped into France dressed as civilians.
And
Once we're in enemy territory, as a bushwhacking guerrilla army, we're gonna be
Dragon
doing
fruit.
one thing and one thing only: killing Nazis. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I sure as hell didn't come down from the goddamn Smoky Mountains, across 5,000 miles of water.
Aga naman ang
find my
yung
way
binayan.
through half the city.
still raining outside. Papasaya dito isa.
Soldiers of a
Dragon fruit.
Jew-hating mass murder maniac, and they need to be destroyed.
Alam ko.
Now, any and every some bitch we find wearing a Nazi uniform,
Kalahati lang. Save daw mo yung harp sa'yo.
Ito, ano to? Kakainin mo?
Mama.
Bakunin mo na lang.
Isabaw ma.
Yeah, this sabaw.
Oh.
now that'll plan. Be that.
Hindi ko masyadong matamis yung dragon fruit.
Oo.
Hindi ko kaya kung paano kakalimutin yan.
Hello pa?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ganun talaga.
Yeah, I know, but naasim. Masarap kung matamis yan. Di ba pa?
Impossible, tamisin yan.
Ang sakit na balikat ko. Malamig kasi. Kasi na naman lumabas na sa haring araw. Oh my God, what did you do? You're so... Nakarod mo, Sid.
Excuse? Ay, baho.
I'm on live, yeah? Yeah. I'm on live. Nakabastos talaga. Ang laki-laki ng nasa harapan niya. Oh, isang tray. Kinuha yung sa akin.
Dibdib yun.
Ayun na, ba't ayaw mag-slice? Ang tamad mong mag-slice.
Ano ba na lahat ng pagkain mo?
Bapa, wala na akong pagkain. Lahat kinuha na ng dalawa.
Don't eat that. Eat this one. Eat this one. Ano ba?
Hinold up na yung lahat ng nasa plate ko. Nakonsensya si Sid. Binalik niya.
I feel bad. Ah, I got phone noodle, ma.
Yeah.
Phone noodle.
Thank you pa.
Bakit? Ano lasa?
Maasim.
May init yan, ma.
Hindi ah.
It's like a little bit sweet. It's Hitler. It's Adolf Hitler.
Si Hitler talaga yun, di ba?
Yeah.
The one?
Yeah.
Yan ba itsura ni Hitler?
Hmm.
Sa totoong buhay? Talaga?
That's what he looks like.
Okay. So, yan talaga siya?
Hmm.
So, sa totoong buhay, si Hitler is masama? Or hindi?
Yes. Ma, why is that a question?
Communist.
He killed so many people.
Really?
Mass genocide.
Oh my God. Oh? I don't know because I don't know him.
Si
Yeah.
Hitler.
He's a Nazi.
I heard that name, but I have no idea
Di ba kapalit niya si Kwan, di ba?
na bad ba siya or good.
Vladimir Putin.
Putin.
Yeah.
Ni Putin at saka ni Vladimir? What? What?
Hitler and Vladimir Putin.
No, Vladimir and Putin is different people.
I know, but are they supposed to be like the same, like
Character.
not like dictator?
Vladimir Putin is his whole name.
I know. No, Vladimir Putin and
Hindi talaga ako guys mananalo sa debate.
Hitler.
Kasi mga anak ko matatalino.
At si Kwan.
Sa mga history ako hindi.
Saan ba si Hitler? Saan? Russia?
Kilala ko lang si Hitler
Austria.
na name. Ako,
Austria.
akala ko screen name lang yung Hitler.
Born in Austria.
In
He's
real
born
life pala
Austria,
si
he
Hitler
created
is
the
Hitler.
Soviet Union.
Diba?
Right?
Russia went against Germany.
Wait, hey, so what country was Hitler in?
Well, kainin mo
Where
rin.
did
Oh.
he rule?
Meron ka na. Ba't ikaw?
Kumain na nga siya ng hap noon,
Yeah.
tapos maasim nga.
What did he rule?
Germany.
Ikaw gusto mo?
Germany.
Hindi.
Maasim, di ba?
Ay, binalata ng ulo siya daw. Bakit?
Ew!
Sige, kaya ayaw ko manood ng mga ganyan kasi takot ako.
Oh, it's for food.
Ha?
It's for food.
Yung utak.
Yeah.
Ew! No! Makain ako!
Sid.
Malo.
It's Jewish. They killed all the Jewish. They took all the brains out.
You.
No, they're killing the Germans. They're Americans.
Oh. Why are they taking their heads off?
Are they Americans? I don't know.
Papa, can we make ano?
It's the kids!
Can we fix Manny's house?
Why?
Kasi lagi na siya nag-uulan.
No, he only likes
Nasa
it.
labas
He
siya.
only likes the concrete because it's cold.
Hindi nga, doon nga magkakasakit nga yung aso. Kasi di ba kailan naman siya tulugan pa yung niya, yung wood na floor. I-move natin.
Bakit mo move?
Bakit may buto?
Ipasok sa loob tapos ayusin yung niya, mga bubong.
Dingo.
Bahay?
Dingo.
Doon sa
I was about to say
corner.
dingo. Ma, you about to say dingo.
No, dingo.
Wait,
I'm not
can you
Miss
guys
Dingo.
leave some for me?
Okay.
When I had Dingo's video, but
Where?
hindi ko mahanap-hanap. Alam ko nasa phone ko.
I want to see Dingo.
Studio.
Eat that or not?
I don't know what to eat. So much food.
Eat it. That's onion. It's antioxidant
No,
also.
this is shallot.
That's a green.
So, ang sarap ng pork, pero bakit hindi mo na-enjoy?
Because it's too fat.
Because it's so oily. And there's so many vegetables, not enough noodle.
Hindi tama yun, vegetable.
Yeah, but too many.
Hugo Stiglitz.
Cheery.
Why did it look cold but they're round?
Bulok na yan. Mawag mo kainin yan.
Tapon yun akong kamay.
Yan, tinapon sa ulo. Here's Ling Chun.
That's over.
I was gonna slice it.
Cherry. Ay, tuwayo.
Cut in half.
Why?
Magseryoso na nga akong kumain. Habang mainit pa. Sarap. Taba.
Sino ako?
Hindi yung food.
What are you doing? Look, sis, look.
I want to take a slice.